Hello and welcome back, guys. Today, we're tackling a super annoying issue: how to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 10 or 11. Not only does it take up unnecessary space, but it also eats up your system resources in the background. So let's get rid of it. Step 1, find the removal tool. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Edge GitHub Remove. Click on the first link, scroll down, and you'll find 3 different versions of the tool in sol.exe format. Now here's something important. One version removes only Edge, while another also removes Edge WebView. Edge WebView is a background component that helps run apps like VPNs, so I'm leaving it intact and only removing Microsoft Edge itself, which is the goal of this tutorial. Step 2. Download and run the tool. You'll see a script inside the .ax file. It's completely safe and easy to use. Once you've downloaded the .exe for Edge removal, Windows may warn you that it's an unsecure application, but don't worry, it's totally safe. Now run the .exe as an administrator. Once executed, Microsoft Edge will be completely removed from your system. Try clicking on the Edge icon. It's just a broken shortcut now. You can delete it manually. Step 3. Final cleanup. Open Control Panel and manually check for any remaining Edge components. Also, disable all Microsoft Edge startup tasks to prevent it from reinstalling in the background. Once that's done, congratulations, you've completely removed Microsoft Edge from your system.